Hey Excel fans, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make your UPC number exactly 13 digits in Excel, or adding leading zeros or any number or digital or alpha value string up to 13. Whether you prefer the old school method, a quick text trick, or a more robust approach, I've got you covered. Let's jump in. First, we'll check the number of characters of the strings in my list. Some of the strings are formatted as numbers, the rest as text, and the very last string is a text with alpha characters. So let's type len function and check the length of our strings. We have 10, 11, 12, 13 digits and 11. First, we're going to use the traditional old school method using nested if statements. So if your UPC have 10, 11, 12 digits, you will add leading zeros. So let's start typing our formula. If the length is equal to 10, comma, in quotations 3 zeros, and we append the UPC, comma, if that's not true, we'll have another if statement. The length is behind here, equals 11, comma, we'll add 2 zeros and then append B3, comma, if that's not true, we'll add a third statement, if C3 equals 12, comma, in quotations 1 0, and we'll append B3, comma, and if nothing up to here is true, we'll have B3 as a result. So we have one parenthesis and second and third. We have to close all if statements. And now we have it. The first method, let's check the length of the results. All of them are 13 digits. This works, but it is long, hard to read, and not easy to maintain if your data changes. The formula is not going to work for any UPC that is shorter than 10 digits. Let's try the next method, which is much quicker. And if your UPC is at digits, whether stored as number or text, it should work. So equal text function, first parenthesis, and then we have our UPC as a value, comma, in quotation. We'll have to type 13 zeros to show the 13 digit length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, closing the quotations and closing the parentheses. So that was much quicker, but it looks like nothing happened to the alpha characters at the end. So let's check the length. Yes, much cleaner than nested ifs and super easy to use, but doesn't work for alpha character string. And finally, the most flexible method, which works whether your strings are number, text, mix of digits and alpha characters, or already have leading zeros. We'll be using REPT and LEN function. So let's start with REPT, which will be repeating in quotations 0, and how many times it will be repeating will be 13 minus the length in column C, but let's type the function here, len b3 and another parenthesis. So you can see we have all the zeros that need to be added extra to our UPCs, and we'll finish the formula by appending with ampersand our UPC. Let's check the length. All of them at 13. So no matter what format UPC is, the formula ensures it always exactly 13 character long. So there you have it, 3 ways to make your UPCs 13 digit in Excel: the old-fashioned if nested formula, a quick tip with text function, and the more robust and always working REPT plus length function. Choose the one that fits your data and workflow best. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Check out my other videos for more time-saving Excel formulas and tutorials. See you in the next one.